Greeting.
见面寒暄。
Good morning.
早上好。
Good morning. Good afternoon.
中午好。
Good afternoon. Good evening.
晚上好。
Good evening. Cold weather, isn't it?
天气很冷，是吧？
Cold weather, isn't it? What a nice day.
天气真好啊。
What a nice day. How do you do?
你好吗？
How do you do? May I have your name?
能告诉我你的名字吗？
May I have your name? I've heard a lot about you.
久仰大名。
I've heard a lot about you. Nice to meet you.
很高兴见到你。
Nice to meet you. Glad to meet you.
很高兴见到你。
Glad to meet you. It is my pleasure to meet you.
很高兴见到你。
It is my pleasure to meet you. Excuse me, have we met somewhere before?
请问我们之前在哪儿见过吗？
Excuse me, have we met somewhere before?
Yes, we have met in the cinema.
是的，我们在电影院见过面。
Yes, we have met in the cinema. Aren't you Miss Mary?
你是玛丽小姐吧？
Aren't you Miss Mary? Glad to see you again.
很高兴再次见到你。
Glad to see you again. Long time no see.
好久不见了。
Long time no see. It has been half a year we haven't seen each other.
我们有半年没见了。
It has been half a year we haven't seen each other. What a surprise to see you here.
没想到在这儿遇见你。
What a surprise to see you here. What a small world.
世界真小啊。
What a small world. When was the last time we met?
我们上次见面是什么时候？
When was the last time we met? It has been so long that I cannot remember.
时间太久了，我不记得了。
It has been so long that I cannot remember. We haven't seen each other for 3 years.
我们有3年没见了。
We haven't seen each other for 3 years. What have you been up to all these years?
这些年你都忙什么呢？
What have you been up to all these years? I have been preparing for the entrance exam.
我忙着准备入学考试。
I have been preparing for the entrance exam. Wish you all the best for your exam.
祝你取得好成绩。
Wish you all the best for your exam. Thank you so much.
太感谢了。
Thank you so much. I was looking forward to seeing you.
我很期待见到你。
I was looking forward to seeing you. How are you doing?
最近怎么样？
How are you doing? How is everything?
一切还顺利吗？
How is everything? Fine, thank you.
很好，谢谢。
Fine, thank you. Pretty good.
相当不错。
Pretty good. Not very good.
不是很好。
Not very good. What troubles you?
你有什么烦恼？
What troubles you? What's going on?
发生什么事？
What's going on? You haven't been around much lately.
你最近没怎么露面啊？
You haven't been around much lately. Sorry, I didn't catch your name.
抱歉，我没有听清楚你的名字。
Sorry, I didn't catch your name. I'm Jane. Nice to meet you.
我是简，很高兴见到你。
I'm Jane. Nice to meet you. Have you ever been to United States before?
您之前来过美国吗？
Have you ever been to United States before? Yes, I went to New York for a meeting 2 years ago.
来过。2年前我去纽约参加了一个会议。
Yes, I went to New York for a meeting 2 years ago. How about you?
你呢？
How about you? Same as usual.
一如既往。
Same as usual.